Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Wreaths and Things. We are crossing off that request list and here is another one today. Somebody requested one of those frosty hats made out of like a plate and a little tin on top for candy dish. So I thought today is a perfect day to try out this DIY. Today's video, we are going to do a Frosty the Snowman candy holder using some items from the dollar store. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you what I made. I'm going to be using this plastic round plate. I'm going to also found this cardboard box that has a lid on it. It's in a circular shape. I thought it would be perfect for the top hat, along with some Christmas picks, this 2.5-inch wired ribbon, and of course chocolates. We love chocolates, and some black spray paint, and as well my regular crafting utensils to create this project today. I'm going to start off with some felt, and this is just a felt roll that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take the base of that and place it right down and trace it with my pencil, and then I'm going to cut that out. I am going to be using this later on. I'm just going to put it off to the side for now, but you'll see how I use it just right in the center there to kind of add some finishing touches to the inside. Once that's put to the side, I'm going to grab the top portion and I'm also going to grab the plate, put that together, outline it with my Sharpie pen, and I'm going to add a whole bunch of hot glue to make sure that goes right in the center. I'm going to hold that down for a bit, and then I'm just going to outline the rim where the bottom of the box and the plate stand, and I'm just going to make sure that's nice and secure. Take it outside and spray paint the entire thing. Once it's all done, you can kind of see it taking shape now. I've painted everything, and now it's going to be time for me to add that circle that we just cut right in the beginning. And I'm going to place that right at the bottom. This is just a little finishing touch. You don't have to do that if you don't want. Then I'm trying to figure out the length that I need with the felt on the inside, find the length, cut that off, and then of course I'm going to need to find the height as well. I just place that right inside the top hat, cut that, and then I have my little piece ready for the inside. And I'm going to start off with my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a strip of hot glue, add that right on the inside, and then for the rest of it I'm going to use some Elmer school glue, and this is just white glue that I'm just laying out, and I'm doing sections of it, unrolling my little felt sheet there. That just gives me a little bit of time. Hot glue does dry so fast, and with the white glue, what that does, it just gives me an opportunity to move the felt around just a little bit, make sure it's placed where I want it to go, and once that's all done, we have our inside all finished with our felt. Love how this is turning out so far. And now I'm kind of trying to decide which ribbon I'm going to use for the top hat. I had this burgundy scroll ribbon, also this burlap poinsettia ribbon. Which one would you use? I actually ended up with the burlap poinsettia one, and I'm going to just glue that right on there. So I add a little strip of hot glue at the beginning, and then every so often I'm going to wrap it around and add a little bit of hot glue as well. I'm not gluing the whole thing down, just every now and then I'm going to come around, make sure it's all in its place, and once I come to the end, find out the length I need, I'm just going to take my scissors, cut that off, and then we're going to add a little bit of more hot glue right at the very end to make sure it's all nice and secure on there. Press it right down, and then I'm going to take apart those floral picks. These are just Christmas floral picks I found. I've got some greenery on there with poinsettias, and then I'm going to start with my larger pieces, gluing those on there. So these large pine pieces, and then the middle-sized ones, and then I eventually add the berries, my poinsettia, and we have our little Frosty the Snowman hat candy dish all ready. And of course, we have to add candy to it. I'm adding some chocolates and some peppermints, putting on that lid, and here we go. We have our Frosty candy dish hat all ready to place on our table. And then of course, a little surprise on the inside, of those wonderful chocolates. I'm just going to grab a handful for myself. But here is our frosty hat as requested. I was really excited to do this project, and I was so happy with the outcome, and I hope you are as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new project. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.